Hello everyone, and welcome to Artful Life Design's Quick Start Guide to using Templett. Templett is the browser editing software we use for our template designs, available on our website artfullifedesigns.com and our Etsy shop, Artful Life Printables. Templett is really convenient and easy to use. There is no software to download or fonts to install. You do all your editing online in your browser, and all your templates are stored safely in your template account. Our template designs are great for DIYers. Just purchase, edit, download, and print. Let's get started. Once you're logged into Templett, select the template you want to edit by clicking on it. The template will appear over here in your editing window. A single click on a text box allows you to move, scale, or rotate. If you make a mistake, just click Undo. A purple line appears to help you center and align text and objects. Double-click on the box to edit your text. Now you can type in your own. You can duplicate a box to add more text by selecting it, then clicking on the Clone Object icon in the toolbar. To delete unwanted items, click once, then click on the trash can in the toolbar or hit Delete on your computer keyboard. You can add and remove backgrounds by clicking here, then on the background you want. Some templates offer multiple pages or a backside. Click here to add a backside or an additional page depending on the template settings. You can add text to your new page. You can format it by double-clicking. Highlight, then add your own text. You can change the size, the color, and the font. You can even add your own graphics by uploading an image. I've already uploaded a couple of images, but I could use the upload feature to add more graphics. Click to add your image. Now you can move and scale it to fit your template. You can reorder the layers so you can bring your text to the front and have your image in the back. You can move all the elements around to get them exactly where you want. Don't forget to save your work often when making edits. You can duplicate a page by clicking here. I found this feature is really handy when doing table numbers. Once your edits are complete, remember to save your work. Now you can download your files. Click here to download. If you select PDF, you can choose to show bleed, trim marks, and use Save Paper option, and then choose the page size. The Save Paper option will put multiple templates on a single page depending on the size of your template. Click on Create PDF. Templett will generate your file, then download when it's ready. If you choose the JPEG format, you can add bleed and you have the choice of high or low resolution. The default is high resolution, which is what you want for printing. If you're unsure of any setting, check with your printer to see what they prefer. Then click Create JPEG and download when it's ready. You can also download a PNG, which is great for sharing on social media. That wraps up our quick start guide to using Templett. For more great tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the link below. You can also stay in touch by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.